my new YouTube channel. I'm Roxana and I am a professional comp climber. Today I will go to the Crimp, which is a new gym in Heidelberg. It hasn't opened yet. I will meet some route setters from the boulder house there and we will climb some boulders. I will show you the climbing. So see you there! So this is the gym. As you can see, they have a lot of comp style boulders there with some amazing brand new holes. In the middle of the gym there are 5 adjustable walls. They put comp style boulders on 3 of them and the other 2 are kilterboards. And they also have a moonboard upstairs. Here you can see some of the boulders I tried to climb. So the concept of this gym is that it's basically just for comp climbers. So they don't have a lot of easy stuff there. The last move was super scary. Unfortunately, I could not send this boulder, but it is a really nice slab and I will try it again next time. For this boulder I needed many tries and I also lost a lot of skin, especially on the second part of the boulder. Some of my friends also tried this boulder. This boulder was my favorite one from the session. I have never done this movement before. You step onto the first volume and then you kind of hop onto the second one with the same leg. I needed like a million tries, but in the end I got it. was it for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. I had a lot of fun at the climbing session. I could tick off some boulders that I wasn't able to send the last time I was there. Plus I had a really great time with the guys I met there. So if you liked the video, please subscribe to my channel and see you next time!